Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing these Aerotrunk Compression Packing Cubes. And so I've had these Aerotrunk Compression Packing Cubes for about 2 years now, and I really do like them, and so here's why. So they come in a 2-pack, 4-pack, or 6-pack, and so I just have two pieces of these Aerotrunk Compression Packing Cubes. And so what I like about them is that compared to other packing cubes that I've used, these ones feel a lot more high quality. And in addition to that, unlike other packing cubes where let's pretend that there wasn't a mesh material here, these ones actually have a mesh material so that your clothes kind of breathe, is the way I put it. And now, in addition to that, of course, you have the compression aspect where if you zip it down, it does tend to save a bit of space by actually compressing your clothes. So with these Aerotrunk compression packing cubes, I was hesitant to get them at first. There were other options online, but this one in particular, pretty happy that I got it just because I've had no problems with it whatsoever. Right now, I've been using it as my go-to travel packing cube. And if you're looking for a packing cube that's high quality, that's able to compress, that also allows you for your clothes to breathe, like how you see here through this mesh material, definitely check this out.